welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know the gall of me to be saying welcome back when I'm the one who went MIA for so long. My apologies, I'm so sorry. So I think I owe you guys an explanation as to why I've been gone for so long. And the truth is, filming with my phone got frustrating after a while. So I got frustrated, and honestly, if I created content while being frustrated, it wouldn't have been up to par. And I don't want to just throw out videos there for you guys. So I stopped for a while so that I could get back my energy, get back the juice, so that I could bring you guys some decent videos. Well, not decent, but some great videos. So I'm not frustrated anymore. I mean, I'm going to do an updated video when it comes to filming videos with your phone, because I think I owe you guys that. So in the future, if you're ever thinking about creating a YouTube channel, it'll be somewhat easier for you. And what else? I definitely want to tell you to leave a comment in the comment section and tell me any videos you would want to see in the future, so that I'm not just pushing out videos that you're not interested in. So let me know what it is you want to see, and I will gladly do it. And honestly, I am really sorry for going MIA on you guys, but I'm back and I'm better, hopefully. Anyways, so this makeup look is for someone who isn't necessarily great at makeup and who just doesn't have the time to sit there and beat their face and kick the makeup on. So yeah, this is for, if you're a nurse, if you work in an office, if you're a teacher, this makeup could work for you. So if you're interested, please continue to watch the video, and I hope you like, subscribe, share, and please comment. If there is anything you really need to do, maybe subscribe, comment, like as well. Yeah. So those are your 3 things I want you to do. Tell me something you would like to see in the future on this channel or on my next upload. Yeah, and that's it. So once again, I'm sorry for going MIA, but I'm back, and thank you so much for rocking with me. Thank you for subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. This is not the outro, so let's go on to the video. Bye guys. So first things first, we're gonna start with our eyebrows, and since this is a basic everyday look, we're not going to use the eyebrow gel. We're just gonna use an eyebrow pencil that is exactly like our brow color, and we're gonna fill in our brow, do the outline and everything. I already have a brow tutorial on my channel, so I'll put that link in the description bar so you could check it out. That one is very detailed, just in case you need extra help with your brows. Check it out. Now, using our concealer, we're just going to clean up under our brow. We're just going to do the bottom, not the top. We're just making it look very defined and clean under, but we're gonna leave the top. We're just going to brush out our brows. And we're going to use some brow gel and place over our brows just to keep it in place. Now using that same concealer, we're just going to put it on our eyelids, and it's going to act as an eyeshadow primer so that when we place our eyeshadow down, it shows up. So now I'm just going to show you the eyeshadow palette that I'll be using. I'm not too sure what the name is, but if you want to know all the products that I'm using in this video, please follow me on Instagram because I'll have all the makeup details there. So first we're going to put this shade in our crease area. I actually thought that shade was much lighter, but it works. So we're going to focus in the crease and in the outer V of our eyes. Then using a next shade, a lighter brown shade, we're just going to put that on the lid and close to the crease, but not exactly in the crease. It's kind of like creating a cut crease without actually cutting the crease, if you know what I mean. It's a simple eye look, nothing extravagant, nice and basic. Then we're just gonna go back in with the dark shade. Now we're just gonna prime our face, get it all over your face. This is for a foundation. Before I started, my face was already moisturized and everything. Now we're just gonna do our foundation. Now with foundation, I do it in sections. So I start on one side, then I go to the next side or my forehead till I do the whole face. Now going with that same concealer, I'm just going to highlight my face. So under the eyes, my nose, my chin, my forehead. Not exactly my forehead, but you know what I mean. And then using a sponge, a beauty blender, which is not really the real beauty blender, I'm just going to blend out that concealer. Guys, trust me, it seems like a lot of steps, but overall, this whole look took me 30 minutes to do, so it is possible. Now we're just going to contour our face using this Morph contour palette. You can use anything that you contour your face with, really. I like using powder because when you use liquid, you have to go back over that liquid and set with a powder. We don't have time for that. So now we're just going to use a powder. This is the Sasha Buttercup to set our concealer. Now I'm going in with another palette to contour my nose because the Morph palette, those shades were a little too dark and I don't want a harsh contour line on my nose. Here I'm just going to add some bronzer, though it doesn't really seem like it's doing much, but in person I see the difference. Now we're just gonna set our entire face with our last powder. And no, don't worry, your face is not gonna look cakey. And now to finish off everything, I'm just going to spray my face with a setting spray. Can't forget the lips. First we line our lips. ColourPop, of course. We have two options of lippies to use. I'm going to use a liquid lipstick one from Huda Beauty. Align your lips again. That's optional, but I like to see that line in it. Almost forgot the eyes. Look how naked they looked before. Because we are on a mission and we need to go to work soon, we don't have time to put on eyelashes. So you're just gonna add some mascara. Now we're gonna wait 2 seconds before we put the second coat. Second coat of mascara. And don't abandon your bottom lashes. They need love too. You cute girl, but hold up. You gotta put on our work outfit. So this is for if you're in the office, you know, administrative work. If you're a nurse, saving lives and stuff out here. Okay girl, I see you. Now this step is optional. If you must glow, please add your highlighter. Here I went a bit overboard, so I had to blow off the excess, and then later on I'm going to use my foundation brush and just go over it a bit to get rid of that extra glow, because that's a bit unnecessary. Yes, sometimes there is something as too much highlighter. So this is the finished look. This is your everyday look for a girl who just has no time to do the extras, like no eyelashes, all the extra stuff. No, this is like your basic everyday look. So now you're ready, you throw on your work jacket and you leave. You know, throw on your work jacket, girl, and you out the door. You gone. Hopefully you guys like it. Let me know what you think. And again, I'm sorry for going MIA for so long, but I'm back, and please leave a comment and let me know what it is you would like to see in the future, and I will gladly provide it for you. You feel me? Anyways, I'll see you guys in another one. Peace and high five.